Hey, what's up? If you can see, I have Crossman from my Bees, my Crossman pumpmaster. Shots there at the bottom in red. So I'm gonna see if I can make a better grouping
Crap.
with my
Crap, wait,
cyma
not yet.
zm51. Here I go.
Wait. Can't find the fire pit.
Here I go.
Wait, no, I haven't found the fire pit. Okay, there.
Alright, that'll be it. Come on. Don't. Come on. I'm gonna show you the groupings that I made. Come on. I have my brother recording it, so bring it back more. So yeah, 1, 2, couple shots went in the same spot. Yeah, I actually have more BBs than I thought I had in this gun. So yeah, I shot from the exact same range, and as you can see right here, this is from my Crossman pumpmaster right there. So yeah, like, subscribe, see ya.